Good morning, student. Statistics, BCom, SEM 5, BBA, SEM 3, method number 8. Carl Pearson's method. In the Carl Pearson's, we are using bivariate method. In the bivariate method, we are calculate last two sum for the bivariate method. Again, we are start a bivariate method. Suppose given in the four class given in the X and four different value in the given for Y. Suppose this type of question, here X and here the Y. In the given X, class given 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60 and 60 to 80. Okay, but in the Y, here the given directly value 15, 20, 25 and 30. So now you check here the change in the question. Here the given the class, but here not given the class, but here the given only for data. Directly given for the data 15, 20, 25 and 30, but you check the difference will be same. Here the difference 5, 5, 5 and here the difference between 20, 20, 20. Also given in the frequency, suppose like that 5, 4, 0, 0, 3, 2, 4, 0, 0, 4, 2, 3, 0, 0, 2 and 4. Suppose this type of questions are given, then we are calculate in the bivariate method. First of all, we decide in the answer how many columns and how many rows are draw. So in the X there are given four class 1, 2, 3 and 4. Four classes are given plus 7. So 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. And in the Y 1, 2, 3, 4 values are given plus this number is fixed number 7. So we are add always 7. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So we are draw 11 column and 11 row. Okay. So first of all, here we are draw 11 row and 11 column. And we are using this formula. You remember the formula? N sigma FUV minus sigma UFU sigma VFV upon under root n sigma U square FU minus sigma UFU whole square. And in the second under root n sigma V square FV minus sigma VFV whole square. So we are using this formula. Okay. So you remember the formula. First we are draw 11 row and 11 column for our answer. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 11 row and 11 column. Okay. After 11 row and 11 column, first draw column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. After prepare of 11 row and 11 column, first of all, here we part for X and y. In first box we part x and y, it is our answer. First box always left, for so here we draw a arrow for the left for the boxes. In the x given here the class 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60 and 60 to 80. So here we write 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60 and 60 to 80. And in the y 15, 20, 25 and 30. So here we write 15, 20, 25 and 30. After that mid value. Here we write always mid value. In the mid value, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So lower limit is 0, upper limit is 20. 0 plus 20, so 20. 20 divided by 2. So here the answer is 10. And we are using a shortcut method. 20 to 40 difference will be checked first. Must check difference. 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60 and 60 to 80. The difference will be same. So here 10, then 30, then 50, then 70. You are add 20, 20 because the difference between the class is 20 and similar, then use this shortcut method. And here not given the class. Do remember students, here not given the class, so the mid value of this value is same mid value. So 15's mid value 15, 20, 20, 25, 25 and 30 is 30. It means જ્યારે તમને ક્લાસ ન આપ્યા હોય અને ડાયરેક્ટ ફિગર જ આપેલો હોય તો એની મિડ વેલ્યુ સેમ ટુ સેમ થશે. 15ની મિડ વેલ્યુ 15, 20ની મિડ વેલ્યુ 20, 25ની મિડ વેલ્યુ 25, 30ની મિડ વેલ્યુ 30. આ ખાસ યાદ રાખજો કે ક્લાસ ન હોય ત્યારે એ જ નંબર સેમ ટુ સેમ એની મિડ વેલ્યુ થાય. આફ્ટર રાઇટિંગ મિડ વેલ્યુ વી આર ડ્રો અ બોક્સ. You draw one box, and in the box we write frequency, but we write frequency using a pencil or a black ball pen. Do remember students, a pencil, otherwise black ball pen. So in the first column 5400, so here we write 5, 4, 0 and 0. Okay. Next second column 3240. So here we write 3, 2, 4 and 0. Next third column 0423. So here we write 0, 4, 2 and 3. And in the last 0024, so here we write 0, 0, 2 and 4. Okay. After that you write the name of the column's title. Suppose here the x, so here we write fu, u, ufu, u square fu and fuv. And here the y, so we write here fv, v, VFV, V square FV and FUV. Okay. So remember this name FU, U, UFU, U square, FU and FUV last column. And here FV, V, VFV, V square FV and FUV. Okay. After that total 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 2 plus 4, 10. 4 plus 2 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 4, 7. Now the total of same column 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 2 plus 4, 9. 4 plus 2 plus 3, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. and both the side total will be same, and it is called for n. 33. Now check the total here. 8 plus 10, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 7, 33. The total will be same both side. After you are prepare column of u. U means smallest mid value opposite 0. Smallest mid value is here 10. So here the 0. And now you check it, the difference will be same, 10, 30, 50 and 70. So here we write 1, 2, 3. Similarly, in the mid value of y, lowest mid value is 15. So opposite 0. Then 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, because the difference will be same. When the difference will be same, then use this shortcut. Okay, otherwise you deduct the value. After that you multiply 9 into 0, 0, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 6 threes are 18. And here the multiplication 8 into 0, 8, 10 ones are 10, 8 twos are 16, 7 threes are 21. Now the total sigma VFV, and here the total 45 sigma UFU. Okay, now next column is U square FU. U square FU, it means you are multiply by 2 column U and multiply by UFU. So 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 9, 9, 2 into 18, 36, 18 to the 36, 3 into 18, 54. Total 9 plus 36 plus 54. So total is 99 sigma U square FU. Okay. After that here multiply 0 into 0, 0. Here multiply V into VFV means V square FV. Okay. So 1 into 10, 10. 16 twos are 32. 21 threes are 63. Now the total 10 plus 32 plus 63. Your answer will be 105 sigma V square FV. Okay. Now FUV. FUV means here the multiply 5 into 0 into 0. 3 value નું multiplication થશે. F એટલે પેન્સિલ વાળી વેલ્યુ, V અને U ત્રણેયનું multiplication થશે. 4 into 1, 4 into 0, 0, 0, 0. 0 હોય ત્યારે 0 મૂકી દેવાના. 3 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2. 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 1, 8. 0 હોય ત્યારે 0, 0 હોય ત્યારે 0. 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 8. 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. 3 into 3, 9. 9 twos are 18. 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. 12 threes are 36. Now the total 0, 10, 34, 48, and total last column 10 plus 34 plus 48, so 92. 92 sigma FUV. Here the total 0, 10, 28, 54, and total will be same, 54 plus 28 plus 10, 92. Both the side total will be same. After that we are using the formula n sigma FUV minus sigma UFU sigma VFV upon under root n sigma u square fu minus sigma u fu whole square. Second under root n sigma v square fv sigma v fv whole square. Putting the value n is equal to 33, sigma fuv means 92, this value, sigma ufu means 45, this value, sigma vfv means 47 upon under root n is equal to 33, sigma u square fu means 99 minus 45 whole square. N means 33, sigma v square fv means 105 minus sigma vfv means 47 whole square. After this step, 33 into 92, so 3036, 45 multiply 47, so 2115 under root 33 into 99, 3267 and 45 square 2025. Second under root 33 into 105, so 3465 minus 47 square 2209. After this step, 3036 minus 2115 921 upon under root 3267 minus 2025 1242. Second under root 3465 minus 2209, so 1256. After this step, 921 upon, first of all multiply 1256 into 1242, so your answer is 1559952. Then after under root, so your answer is 1248.98, and last step 921 divided by 1248.98, so your answer is 0.7374. So final answer is 0.74. This answer is right because the answer will be lie between -1 to +1.